Alright, so today we're going to be working on the red Sc300, as you can see right here. And the focus of today is going to be this window. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So when I took it to the Lexus dealership for my pre-purchase inspection, and they gave me the list of every single thing that was wrong with it, they noted that something's wrong with the window. So let's just go ahead and let me basically give you guys a description of what is actually wrong with the window. Now, when I first got the car, there was duct tape all along this. It was all over the place. It was really terrible. Never put duct tape on your paint. That stuff it just ruins everything. So that was the first thing I actually did, was removed all the duct tape. And immediately I noticed that the window doesn't stay up. It goes down on its own. Now it's really weird because, let me try to pull this up, because it'll actually come down. Like the window regulator looks like it's working. I wonder if it's a clip or something that's broken on it. So let me show you what I mean. So here's the window, it's all the way up, and we're gonna push it down. See how it comes down? So it's coming down, the motor, but it won't come up. See, it won't come up. So that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and fix that somehow. I went ahead and I picked up a used window regulator, thinking that that may be it, but we'll see. I guess we won't know for sure until we jump right in and take everything apart. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do right now, is I'm gonna go ahead and remove this door card. It's not too bad. There's a lot of screws all over the place. Screws like that. So we got to take this nipple off and go around the door and take all these screws out. So I'm going to go ahead and set the camera down, and then we'll go ahead and address that. I'll be right back as soon as I have this door card off. Alright, so I figured I would basically show you guys where all these screws are, in case you've never done this before. There's a little plastic piece that goes here. You have to pop this off. Sorry. So you got to use something skinny, anything, just to get back in there and just kind of pull it out. Take your time, don't break this. But there's a screw here. I already removed the one that was there. I popped the little nipple off using the same tool. Screw there, and then just kind of go around underneath, and you'll know that there's a screw right there. I don't know if you can see that. Another one here. Another one maybe there somewhere, all around. And then there's two. There's one up here, and then one here, the two long ones. Also, here, you want to pull this up and unplug, disconnect this, this harness here, and set it to the side. Because when you pull this off, you're going to have this harness in the way, and then you're going to have two cables, one for the door lock actuator and one for the actual door to open the door. So you have to disconnect the cables, so that way that'll allow you to pull this entire door card off. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unscrew everything, and when I'm ready to pull the door card off, I'll jump back on. So after you get all the screws, you want to take like a pry tool, something like that. You want to go along the edge and just, I'll try to do this without getting in the way, and just gently pry like that. Now, it usually doesn't happen that easily. This door's probably been off before. So here, there you go. All right. Now, I'm gonna just pull this clip out. All right. All right, so what I'm doing right now is messing with the door lock actuator. I need to get that clip out. Sorry. We need to get that clip out. So that way I can separate this free, but it's in there. I'm gonna carefully continue prying off and get this off, so that way I can separate this door. And then here's the window regulator. So we're gonna go ahead and inspect this and see what's actually going on. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit of a pain, but it's not impossible. So there's 3 bolts here for the actual window motor, regulator motor. This is your window regulator. The hardest part about this whole thing is trying to get these 2 studs. Basically, you got to push, and you got this window in the back that keeps everything in place. I'm pretty sure the correct way to do this is probably to take the glass out. I got the owner manual. Maybe I should check the manuals. But we ain't got time for all of that. So this is the old one. Let's figure out why this one's broken, and I think I see why it's broken. It looks like this clip might be the culprit. Alright, so as you can see, I got my 10mm nuts in. New window regulator is installed. So let's go ahead and test it out. Comes down, goes up, down, up. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish putting all this back together and call it a day. In the meantime, if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you guys want more content, there's going to be a lot of stuff coming, because this car needs a lot of work, as you could tell from a couple videos ago with the Lexus pre-purchase inspection video there. So yeah, I'm going to be addressing every single thing that they pointed out, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of it. Also, in the next couple videos, or maybe even in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and kind of swap this thing out. I'm probably going to do that today, but I don't want to make this video too long. So yeah, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.